So I got this box in the mail on the weekend, and you guys already saw me unbox this on Instagram. So let's talk about this and more coming up next. Welcome back everybody, HairObsess Jay C. So if you clicked on the thumbnail, it's because 2 years ago I signed up for Influenster and I never received anything. So if you're interested in seeing how I got my box, stay tuned to the end. So let's just dig right in. I've already unboxed this on my Instagram, so all of you who follow me on Instagram already know what's inside of the box. So this is what I got in my box: the Dove Men's Care, and I got the Micro Moisture Body and Face Wash. I also got a 2-in-1 formula fortifying shampoo and conditioner. It says it deeply cleanses and invigorates the hair. That's what that looks like. And obviously I also got the 48-hour powerful protection antiperspirant, and I also got a soap. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the Influenster link in the description box down below, and we're going to talk about how you can get one of these boxes. So this is all that I have in my box, and I'm going to leave everything down in the description box. So what I'm going to do is give them to the hubby for him to try, and I'm gonna tell you guys, they smell so good, so good. If you love your man to smell good, get him some Dove. I'm just kidding, but it smells really nice. I like the way they smell. And now what was amazing to me when I spoke to you guys on Instagram is that they gave you full sizes to try out. Now when I started on Influenster, I thought I was going to get some little packages, but this is no small package. This is huge bottles, the actual size that you would purchase in the store for review, free of cost. Okay, so let's get into how you can get one of these boxes. Now I've been on Influenster 2 years, and they sent me an email stating what if I would like to be a part of a campaign to review products free of cost. So they sent me a link. I went to that link, signed up. That was 2 years ago, and I was waiting. But I received a recommended video from YouTube where a YouTuber was saying all you have to do in order to get one of these boxes is to remain active. I didn't know what that means, so I started doing a little bit of research. What you have to do inside of the app, there's snaps. You have to answer your snaps, and that's it. So 2 months ago I started answering my snaps, and I received this box, my first Influencer box. It was that easy. So if you're interested in getting free stuff, you can start out with this company, Influencer. I got my box. It's for men. My husband is going to be trying out all these products for me, and in the app we're going to scan from the barcode everything that he got, and he's going to have to talk about the product, what he thinks and how he likes the product. That's it. That easy. Just remain active because it's an active site, and you get one of these boxes. It's that easy. You're welcome. Okay guys, so that's all I have in my box, and I really do appreciate Influencer for sending me all of this free stuff. I hope that this video was helpful to any of you guys out there. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the club down below, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to leave some other videos up in the cards for you guys to check those out if you're not sure you want to be a part of the club. So check out the videos up somewhere in the cards, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.